For centuries, we have looked to the stars. We have searched for worlds like our own, planets orbiting suns, bathed in warmth and light. We believed this was the only way. Life, we thought, needed a star. It needed the gentle heat of a sun to warm its surface. It needed the light to power its ecosystems. This idea has guided our search for life in the universe. We look for Earth-like planets in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot and not too cold, just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. But what if this view is too narrow? What if life doesn't need a star at all? What if it can flourish in the dark, cold depths of space, far from any sun? This is a profound question. It challenges everything we thought we knew about life. It forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of surprises. Perhaps the most common homes for life are not the sun-drenched worlds we imagined. Perhaps they are dark, icy moons. Our solar system is home to giants, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. These massive planets exert a powerful gravitational pull on everything around them. This includes their many moons. This cosmic tug-of-war is the secret to the ocean worlds. Take Jupiter's moon, Europa. It is a little smaller than our own moon. As it orbits Jupiter, the planet's immense gravity squeezes and stretches it. This constant flexing is called tidal heating. It generates a huge amount of energy inside the moon, enough energy to melt the ice from below. This creates a vast, hidden ocean of liquid water, an ocean that could be over 100 kilometers deep. This is a truly alien environment, a world of ice and dark water. The surface of Europa is one of the coldest places in the solar system. It is a landscape of cracks and ridges. But deep below there is a different story. The tidal forces from Jupiter keep the ocean from freezing solid. This means Europa has had a stable body of liquid water for billions of years. This is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it, but water alone is not enough. For a long time, the idea of a habitable zone was simple. It was a ring around a star where a planet could have liquid water on its surface. Earth sits comfortably within our sun's habitable zone. But the ocean moons of our own solar system are forcing us to think bigger. They exist far outside the traditional habitable zone. The sun is too distant and faint to keep them warm. Their warmth comes from within. It comes from their gravitational dance with their parent planets. This tidal heating creates a new kind of habitable zone, a zone that is not defined by starlight, but by gravity. This means that life could exist on moons orbiting giant planets far from any star. It could exist in systems where the star is too dim or too violent to support life on its own. This dramatically expands the number of places where we might find life. The universe could be teeming with these hidden habitats. Countless dark oceans, hidden beneath shells of ice, on moons we haven't even discovered yet. This changes our perspective entirely. We no longer need to find a second Earth. The most common abodes for life in the galaxy might not be planets at all. They might be moons. Let us journey to these distant worlds. Imagine standing on the surface of Europa. The sky above is black, dominated by the swirling bands of Jupiter. The sun is just a small, brilliant point of light. It offers no warmth here. The temperature is incredibly low, around minus 160 degrees Celsius. The ground beneath your feet is not rock or soil, it is ice. A vast, solid crust of water ice that stretches to every horizon. This ice shell is believed to be miles thick. Some estimates suggest it could be as deep as 10 or 20 kilometers. It is a formidable barrier, protecting whatever lies beneath from the harsh radiation of space. This icy landscape is not smooth or featureless. It is a chaotic, fractured world. Long dark lines crisscross the surface for thousands of kilometers. These are called linea. They are like giant cracks in the ice, evidence of the immense stress the moon is under. There are also strange, jumbled regions known as chaos terrain. Here, the ice seems to have broken apart, shifted, and then frozen back together into a messy puzzle. This suggests that the ice shell is not static. It is a dynamic, moving crust. Perhaps warmer, slushy ice from below has pushed its way up, disrupting the surface before refreezing.